We're already doing that.
I see you.
And then you go, and then after you go, yeah. No, and then you come back.
Just wait, I'm recording this dance.
Okay.
I will stop to hit you.
Watch out though. I'm gonna run once I get home. Yeah, Kain.
Okay.
No, we're doing it.
Here we go. Yeah, Kain.
Yeah.
No, get out of the way. Okay, Brandon, you're.
Yeah, I would. Nicole and Jasmine are fighting.
Really?
It's funny.
Yeah, good job, Taylor. I'm gonna put it on you.
Good. Hey, Brandon, get out. Yeah, Brandon, come on.
Yeah, Kain.
Remember in grade 5 you tried to pull the shirt off?
Look at that move.
Woo!
That was snazzy.
For the actual thing. Yeah, that's it. He's putting him on
Okay, better move out of the way. Kain's gonna chase that.
Yeah. How do you move on your soul? Other chef. No, go
No.
Okay, you're wearing your shoes, right?
Just wait, shut up for a second.
Go outside that door and I'll open the door for you.